Sani 99 Hand and Surface Disinfectant is a powerful broad-spectrum disinfectant developed to target and kill pathogens on any surface within 10 seconds. Recent lab tests have proven that Sani 99 kills COVID-19 and other coronaviruses on any surface in only 30 seconds. Sani 99 can also be used on your hands, as it is safe for hand disinfection. Follow these easy steps to disinfect any surface in seconds. Step 1. Make sure you use a clean container. Step 2. Add 1 liter of water into the container. Step 3. Tear the sachet open and add it to the water. Step 4. Shake or stir for at least 60 seconds. Step 5. When sprayed on a hard surface, wipe the area dry with a clean cloth. Step 6. When sprayed on hands, gently rub hands until dry. Congratulations! Your hands and surfaces are now germ-free. Sani 99